Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Alexi. I help barbers and stylists level up their craft, build their brands, and reach 10 to 15K months without burnout. Today, we're tackling something that every barber faces at some point. Can you take a guess? The fear of losing clients. So you know that feeling, that sinking like pit in your stomach when a loyal client skips their usual appointment? Or worse, when you see them getting a fresh cut from someone else on Instagram. Trust me, I've been there, and it can feel personal. And even that sometimes it can feel devastating. But here's the good news. This fear isn't a dead end. In fact, it's an opportunity, a chance to grow, refine your approach, and build a client base that's not only loyal, but aligned with you and your vision. So let's unpack this together. Let's first start by acknowledging the fear for what it is. It's human nature to fear loss. It's called loss aversion. Our brains are wired to focus more on avoiding losses than chasing gains. And in our industry, this fear gets magnified because our livelihood depends on our clients. Imagine this, you've been cutting clients for years. You know their style, their story, and their routine. Then one day, they stop booking. No explanation, just gone. That first thought is, what did I do wrong? And that thought spirals into self-doubt, anxiety, and even hesitation to take risks with other clients. But here's the thing, most of the time, losing a client isn't just about you. Look, people move, their budgets change, or maybe they just want to try something new. It's not rejection, it's life. Let's dive deeper into the psychology. This fear often shows up in three major ways. Number one, personalization. It feels like a personal attack. When a client stops booking or goes to another barber, it's easy to feel like you're the problem. It's as if you're saying you're not good enough. But here's the truth. Most of the time, it's not about you. Imagine you've been going to the same coffee shop every single morning. One day, you decide to try a new spot. Not because the old one was bad, but because you wanted a change of scenery or heard about a new drink somewhere else. Did the barista you go to at your old shop suddenly become less skilled? No, you just made a choice for yourself, and your clients do the exact same. Clients' decisions are influenced by factors you can't control, their schedules, budgets, or even their mood. Personalizing their departure assumes you have control over everything, which isn't true. Instead, focus on what is within your control, delivering the best possible experience for the clients who stay. Number two, scarcity mindset. There aren't enough clients out there. I've heard this thousands of times. This fear creates a mental image of a shrinking pool of opportunities, where every lost client feels like you're losing a rare gem. But that's not the reality. The truth is, the world is overflowing with people who need haircuts. You have to just find your audience. Think of clients like a fish in the ocean. If you lose one, it doesn't mean the ocean is empty. It just means you need to adjust your net. Maybe try fishing in a new spot, changing up your marketing, or upgrade your bait, offering a unique service. The ocean isn't running out of fish. You just need the right strategy to attract them. Scarcity mindset often stems from fear. Fear of competition, fear of failure, fear of uncertainty. It can paralyze you, making you cling to clients who don't align with your goals or undervalue your work. But an abundance mindset shifts this. Instead of thinking, I lost a client, you think, I'm making room for more clients who value my work. So let's put an actionable step behind this. Start tracking your clients each week. Write down how many new clients or referrals you've received. Seeing consistent growth over time will help you dismantle the illusion of scarcity. Number three, comparison. Social media is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's inspiring to see other barbers killing it with their craft, but on the other, it can feel like you're constantly falling short, especially when you see someone else's 100K page or perfect haircuts and lifestyle. Let me put it beautifully in this way. Imagine running a marathon. You're focused on your own pace, feeling good. And then all of a sudden you glance over and you see someone sprinting ahead. You start doubting yourself, thinking, why am I not as fast as them? But here's the thing, you're not in the same race. Maybe they train for shorter distances while you're built for endurance. What you see online is a highlight reel, not the full picture. For every perfectly curated Instagram post, there's hours of unglamorous hard work, missed cuts, and lessons learned. And I am the perfect example of that. Comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's polished feed is like comparing apples to oranges. Next time you feel the comparison bug, flip the narrative. Instead of thinking they're better than me, ask, what can I learn from them? Use their success as an inspiration, not intimidation. And remember, no one has your unique personality, vibe, or story. And that's what keeps clients loyal. Here's how to reframe these mindsets with empowering thoughts. Personalization. This isn't about me, it's about them. I'll focus on what I can control, delivering an amazing experience for clients who stay. For your scarcity mindset, think of this. For every client that leaves, there are 10 more out there looking for my unique skills. I just need to find them. Number 3, comparison. Their success doesn't take away from mine. I'm running on my own race at my own pace. By reframing these fears into empowering beliefs, you transform them from barriers into stepping stones for growth. This is not only to keep you motivated, but positions you as the barber your clients trust and value. But here is the good news, guys. You can reframe your thoughts, and let me show you how. The key to overcoming the fear is shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Number 1, focus on the clients you currently have. Instead of stressing over who might leave, double down on the ones who are already in your chair. Make every appointment an unforgettable experience. It's about the little things. Remembering their favorite styles, asking about their family, or offering styling tips. These personal touches make you irreplaceable. Number 2, celebrate losses as growth opportunities. When a client leaves, don't dwell on it. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And maybe it's an opportunity to refine your technique, improve your branding, or even upgrade your shop's vibe. Recognize your unique value. No one else can offer you your personality, your vibe, your connection. That's what clients keep coming back for. So instead of comparing yourself to others, lean into what makes you different. So now let's get practical. Here are some proven ways to keep your clients loyal. Number 1, create a standout experience. From the moment they walk in to the moment they leave, make every step memorable. Think about the details, the music, the vibe, even the scent in your shop. Add surprises like follow-up texts or even free styling tips. And number 2, invest in your skills. Guys, I preach this all the time. Clients stay with barbers who never stop growing. Dedicate time each month to learning something new. Whether it's a new style or a new technique, your clients will notice the effort you put into their service. Number 3, build relationships, not transactions. Clients leave transactions, not connections. Make every conversation meaningful. Ask about their goals, their family, or even their next vacation. When they feel valued, they'll keep coming back. Number 4, consistency is key. Reliability builds trust. Be on time, deliver consistent quality, and communicate clearly. A dependable barber is a barber clients rave about. Let's talk about the inevitable. What to do when a client leaves. Here's how to handle it like a freaking pro. Number 1, thank them professionally. Send them a simple message, just like this. Hey John, I've really enjoyed cutting your hair. If you ever need anything, I'm here for you. That's it. No guilt trips, no drama. This keeps the door open for the future and they're always gonna remember you. Number 2, refocus your energy. Instead of dwelling on the loss, channel that energy into finding new clients or enhancing the experience for your current ones. Number 3, learn and adapt. Every departure is a chance to improve. If there's feedback to take, use it. If not, move forward with confidence. The fear of losing clients doesn't have to control you. It's an opportunity to grow, refine your skills, and build stronger connections with the clients who truly value you. Remember, you're not just a barber, you're an artist, a connector, and someone who changes lives with every cut. Look, if this resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe for more tips on elevating your craft, your brand, and your income. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.